Fancy feet. Blue-footed boobies get their bright blue foot color from the fish they eat. A male-footed booby works hard to attract a mate. First, the seabird brings a female gift of a rock or a stick. Then he strikes a pose. Now it's time for the male to show off his big blue feet. The bluer, the better. Their name comes from the Spanish word bobo, which means clown or foolish. The male marches and kicks his feet up high. The female is impressed. The pair works together to protect their eggs and then to raise their chicks. Blue-footed boobies are good fillers and strong swimmers, but they are clumsy on land. Blue-footed boobies don't just use their feet to show off, they also use them to cover their eggs and to keep their chicks warm.